Hi my loves, welcome back again to the channel. Welcome back to Precious Emmanuel vlog. So pack my hospital bag with me, or let me show you guys what's in my hospital bag. France edition. So this is the list they give at the hospital in here. Yeah, this is the list. This is everything you are supposed to come with. They are all boldly written there. You are supposed to provide everything. If you can't provide everything, at least provide 85% of the things or 95% of the things that is in that list. So yeah, I'm currently 43 weeks pregnant. Let's start from this one. This is the same bag I use for Dorothy. Yeah, this bag is huge and it has a lot of compartments, like a lot. I just love that about the bag. So for that reason, I said I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to reuse it again. So yeah, that's the reason I kept the bag. So if you open up the bag, so in here we have brush, comb, and nail cutter and nail file. That's everything here. They asked for it, they asked for the set. That's why I'm going with it. This baby bodies is so soft. This one is so soft, like if you touch it you can feel it. It's so soft. I got it from, I think, Temo. I kind of just love it, so I decided to pick that one. And also these are the towels. So these are baby towels. They asked for 3 towels. So in here we have 2. I have one inside. I took the 3. So yeah, they asked me to bring 3 of these, but 3 is too much. I took 2. I just took 2. 3 is too much because even for my daughter I could not finish 3. My daughter that I spent 4 days in the hospital, I could not finish 3. So why would I take 3? I took 2. This one, baby warmer. As you can see, I already took it out of the carton because I already packed everything inside the bag. So that's why it's not in the carton. So I use the same brand for Dorothy, and I just have to get it again because it was nice. I kind of love it. You just put the baby bottle here, put it like this, and when it's hot, it just turn off all by itself. I love that about this brand, that it can turn off all by itself when the thing is hot. Yeah. So yeah, I got what else? Baby feeding bottle. They asked me to bring one, so here it is. My things, my toothpaste is here, my bathing soap, and gloves like bathing sponge, deodorants, toothbrush, very important. That's everything inside this bag. So when you open the luggage, first thing you will see inside is this one. I use this one for my daughter as well. I got new one, but this one is quite small, so I decided to go with this one. But the one I bought newly is big, and I feel like this one is okay, so I took this one. So in here are all my body essential, my skincare, my body cream. They are all here, so I will just add those ones to it before I zip it up. I took this one for coming back home because of the cold. You know, France is frozen at the moment, so everywhere is kind of frozen. So that's why I took this one. Pad. They asked us to come with one, so I took one. They asked us to come with this. I don't know what they are going to be doing with this thing, but they asked us to come with it, so I took it. This baby wrap is so soft, like guys, this is so soft and it's so cute. Just look, it's so cute. I kind of just love it. I got it from Temo. It can serve as baby blankets, baby wrap, anyone, so it's okay. I have 2 at home. I'm not going with those ones because at least they don't need it in the hospital as well. So breast pad, they asked us to come with breast pad as well, which I took. Baby beep, they asked us to come with it. They asked us to come with 3, so in here we have 3. So moving on to baby clothes, so I took this, guys. I kind of just organize it like this so that it will be more easier for them to just pick one in the hospital. I don't want them to be telling me they can't find this and they will just scatter everything. They will not scatter my bag. I don't want it. So kind of just organize it session by session like this. So let's open it up. In here we have nipple cream. The one I use for Dorothy, I can't find it, so I got this brand. The man said it's also okay, and some people said it's okay as well. Who my midwife said it's okay, that she have tried it, is okay. So I got this nipple cream and gloves for baby cap. This baby cap is so cute, white, and I love the texture. It's so cute. So baby sockies. Look at this baby sockies, like, guys. It's so cute. This is going to be his first outfit, and I just love it. That's so I got this and these bodies as well, and the nika and the cap. Yeah, it came in three sets: the nika, the bodies, and the cap. So yeah, it's going to be like this. This is going to be his first outfit. So I just pray this time that my baby takes soccer, because Dorothy refused to take soccer, and it was annoying. So this one I bought just two, at least for a starter. I got just two for a starter, and I pray my baby take soccer this time, so that at least it will be less stressful for me. So yeah, so moving on to the second bag. In here I have I have 6 bodies. Yeah, I have 6 bodies. They ask us to bring 6 bodies. Yeah, so I got those one, guys. If you notice, I'm not doing the whole pink, the whole blue thing. I'm not doing that. I'm just buying any color that interests me. Yeah, because I don't like the whole blue is for boy, pink is for getting. I don't just like it, so I'm just going nude. Any color that interests me, I pick. So I got this brand. It's so cute. I love the design. So I picked this one. I got those white. This white is also so cute. This white is so soft. Like, it's so soft, and I just love it. So I picked it. I got this from Kiabi. Yeah, I think I got the two from Kiabi. Yeah, I got the two from Kiabi. The two is 0 months. They asked us to break 6 0 months. That was what they said. So I got this from is it so I forgot the shop I got this from, but so got that. And yeah, this one as well. This one is so cute. Like, it's so cute. I love it. So this, and also this one is 1 month. I decided to go with this. Babies, they get big easily. Like, if you just give them one breast milk, they will pump. I mix it up 1 month and 4 0 months, so that at least if baby decides to grow fast, at least it will still fit. So yeah, this one is 1 month, and this one is cute as well. They ask us to bring this, and in here we have the sis. So yeah, moving on. So pajama, sorry, this one is pajama, and they also ask us to bring 6 bodies. Yeah, so in here we have 6 bodies as well. So yeah, like, this is so small, guys. Can you see? It's so small. Like, it's so cute, newborn. Like, it's so small and cute. At the same time, like, I love it. Like, newborn clothing, it just make me smile. I just love it. Like, yeah, this is so cute. Like, this is so cute. So I got 6 bodies as well, and I also mix it up. I got 4 0 months and 2 1 month, in case baby decides to get big fast. So yeah, that's what I did. This is our coming back home outfit. So yeah, let me also open it for you guys. We have this blue cap, sockies, another cap. My partner said I should go with these two. If he said it's small, he will use it. If he said it's big, he will use it, guys. It was so funny, like. So I took those two. So yeah, I took full pack of sockies, and this is our coming back outfit, guys. It's so cute. Like, I love it. Like, I love it, and it's so thick as well. This one is also, is it 0 months? No, this one is not 0 months. This one is 1 month. So yeah, I got this as well for our coming back home outfit. My own session. I'm not taking a lot. It's just what they request for. That's all I'm taking. So yeah, let's start. When you open it up like this, my coming back outfit, I took these two. Yeah, these two complete because of cold, because they are thick, and France is cold at the moment. And if I don't want that one, I also took this one as well in case of a KCC. I only took that too. Yeah, and easy wear inside the hospital. And this one is so soft and cozy. So I believe after having my bath, I can just put my leg here. Can you guys see? Like it's so soft. It's so soft. So I got it as well. This thing, what was this thing called? I forgot the name, but I also bought it. Yeah, for down there. Yeah, after giving birth. Yeah, and this as well. Yeah, I got this as well. If I'm not comfortable with that one, I can just use this one and pad. So yeah, if you notice, I got two type of pad. I got the one you can use with these pants, and I also got the other one that has the pad inside already. I got the two in case of a KCT. So yeah, my nursery bra, so I got two because they requested for two. So I got two nursery bra. My pajamas, I got those. I took those one. My sockies, I took three pair of sockies in case I'm cold in the hospital, and I also took this one as well in case I'm not comfortable with those ones. And I also got this gown that you can breastfeed baby with. I took it as well, and I also got this pink set. This one is really cute. Like this one is really cute, and I love it. At least I can breastfeed baby with it because it has button. You can just open it up. So yeah, I want easy go because with my first child I didn't know all these things. So yeah guys, that's all the things they asked us to bring for the hospital. So yeah, this is my hospital bag, France edition. France edition. So yeah, I'm just going to pack everything now and arrange it and keep it for my delivering day. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.